Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Techland. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Paint Bucket tool in Photoshop. First, click the Paint Bucket icon on the left side of Photoshop bar. Then if you just click the background, it will automatically change the color and you can choose any color to do that. But if you click on the shark's tongue, it won't change the whole tongue because the tongue itself has so many different colors and layers. For an easier example, we have this woman in a beautiful veil. The background is flat, so it will be very easier for me to change the color. Now you might wonder, the veil is also black, so it should be easier for the Paint Bucket tool to change the color, but it won't. The reason is the veil has different shades of black. So basically it changes a color into a 2D form. So if we go to a vector image, we can almost, I won't say 100%, but I can say 90%, 80 to 90% times, you can change the color however you like. So I can choose any color and I can change each segment of this image. The main reason of this is that vectors are basically simple flat 2D and Paint Bucket tool is also a 2D flat thing. So they kind of complement each other. So you can easily turn a vector image to something more creative, something more unique. So it was a very easy and simple tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.